Hi, I'm Mark Foertmeyer. Welcome to Plant Tips. Hey, I see you're checking out the Whopper red begonias. Now, we call these landscape begonias because they get so big. These begonias will get actually up to almost 3 feet tall, and they spread about 24 inches wide. That's why they're called Whoppers. But not only that, everything is really big about the Whoppers. They have huge blooms. They have nice sized leaves. And they grow so well. So if you have a spot, and they'll take morning sun all the way up into the afternoon. They kind of like, I've had them out in full sun, west exposure, and they do really well. They just won't get as tall in those areas as if you'd plant them just in a morning sun location. But I love these Whopper begonias. They're relatively new. They grow kind of like dragon wing begonias, but they're actually better in the landscape, and that's why we have them there. So here's a couple tips for growing Whopper begonias really successfully. One is find a nice sunny spot for them. Again, it doesn't have to be all day sun, but give them some sun, because the more sun you give them, the more color, the more blooms they'll have. Plant them in the ground like you'd normally plant any other plant, and then just soak them in really good. That first watering is super important, so water them in really well. For about the first 4 or 5 weeks, give them some fertilizer every week, and just let them get established. Once they're established, you can almost neglect them. Just leave them alone. Normal rain, normal sunshine will take care of them from there. But if you like a lot of color with a few plants, these Whopper rose begonias or red begonias are super good. They also are nice in containers, and you can just plant them in one big container. They get big, or you can plant them with some other things for nice contrast, and they'll look great, and they're really easy to take care of. Thanks again for ordering your plants from the school. Really helps the school out, and it helps you out. It's a win-win. School makes great money, and you get great plants. Thanks again for your support.